This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp. Are you looking for an IT bootcamp? In your journey with TS4U, you will get workshops and tasks every week, hands-on practice, technical tests and tasks, show and tell, mock interview. And we get paid fully only when you get a job. You can get affordable student loan. Become eligible for free tuition. We offer industry-demanding IT boot camps. Join now and start your IT engineering journey today with TS4U.
So did you prepare a test report in your last project? If yes, what did you include in your test report?
Well, yes, initially I actually didn't know what the test report was, to be fair and square. I have done all my testing and I actually attached my test cases and everything was good. Everything was accepted. And as the time goes by, we made some changes that, everyone has to prepare the test report and actually submit to the product owner and the test lead because this is important. So the part of the test report is number of test cases. So we actually use the Excel when we did not have the internal the test case tools. And also for the Postman, I still do not have the test reporting tools. And the Postman collection runner still doesn't say much. And it say, but the business side doesn't actually accept the Postman or the other things. So they expect us to prepare the Excel type of the test report, what it means, the feature name and the functionality has been tested, how many test case has been executed, how many test case has been passed, how many test case is failed, how many test case is not executed, how many test cases the block. So they wanted to see all these details. And the Excel, you can actually run the reporting and it actually show the graphical, like the bar. So that's how they actually expected us. And then we have been given a template. We have been given some details how this test case is generated. So in my test cases, as I mentioned, the feature name, user story name, and the user story, the function of the regression, and the smoke testing or the positive or the negative, everything has been details laid out. And then again, as mentioned, the pass, fail, block, and then the what is called the not executed. So that's actually we have prepared and then has been submitted. But what I included in my test, so the test description, test prerequisite steps, and then the test steps, and the test case number, and the test case link with the user story, and then the test expected result, test actual result, test status, and then the comments as well. That's actually was everything shown on my test report, because that's actually our expectation. Our the business will be accepting this test report. Did I answer your question?
Yeah, you did.
Sorry.